All right, this is the unplugged version of Layla by Clapton. We're gonna start with this little riff. So we got open in 3 in the A into that D power chord, open in 2 there. And this is gonna be kind of like a D minor chord sometimes, and sometimes like a D5 kind of thing, so it's. Okay, so we had the, it's like A to C and then a D chord. D again, down to that 3, that C bass. And then I'll use this pinky to get that B flat. You could use that finger too. But we kind of come in with the power chord part of it, and then we kind of strum the more of the B flat chord, 1, 3, 3, 3 here. So it's like 1, 2, 3. So sometimes when you come from that B flat into that C, sometimes it'll wait and really be on the beat, but sometimes it comes a little ahead, like. So you can kind of have a C power chord, open 3, back to the D there. And then sometimes when you hit that D, you have time to kind of flip it around. I'll kind of use that pinky in there in that 3 for that D minor, because then that finger's free for that C bass. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna have an open 3 on the A string into a C sharp minor 7. So that's 4 in the A string, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. So 1 bar of that, kind of just strum, kind of basic. Jump that same thing up, we got a G sharp 7 chord. Now we're gonna come back here to the C sharp minor 7 for 2 beats. And then we go C to D, 1 beat each to E. So let's look at that again. We got open 3, C, D, and then we're going E, and kind of have a 1, 2, and. So that's pinky on the 3 and the 2nd string, making it an E7 chord. And then we're gonna have F sharp minor 7, which is all the 2s with a 4 and the A string. 2 beats down to a B chord, and then E to A, back to the F sharp minor 7 to B, E to A. That time you'll hold that A right there, and we're gonna get back into a. Okay, so we have 2 more verses like that, and the chorus is like the D. That whole part, that's like the chorus. Okay, so it's like 3 verse choruses in a row. The 3rd time, I think it's a double chorus. Yeah, the 3rd time it's a double chorus, and it's gonna get us into the 2nd solo. But there is 1 solo off that intro that I wanna show you too. So when the song gets going. Okay, so we got that first solo coming in, it's gonna go. So we have a 7 on the D string, and then we have a triplet, 7 on the G, 5 and 6 on the B. So it's. So this is a little pickup phrase. Those notes lead into a new measure where you're gonna go. So that's 5, 6, 5 on the B, quick hammer on pull off, 7 on the G, 5, 6, 5, back to 7. So it's. And then hold that a little bit and go 5, 6, 8, 6, 8, kind of slide that into the 10. So it's 5, 6, 8, 6, 8, slide to 10. We have 8, 10 on the 2nd to little 8, and then 10, 13 is kind of the last notes of that measure. So we're gonna have. And then our new measure is gonna go. Okay, so that was 2 measures worth. We're gonna have this pickup, 10, 13 leads into, so 10 to 12 in the first string, and then hammer on, pull off in those same notes. Then we get into triplets. We got 13, little 10 to 13 on the second. That's 1 triplet, and then 10 to 12 on the G, back to 10 on the B is another triplet. And then we're gonna hit this 12, and then we're gonna go hammer on, pull off in the 3rd string. That's a triplet, 9, 10, 9. And then we kind of wait a bit, and we have a 7 to 7, D to G, and then that's a triplet too. Okay, so let's look at all this. We got okay, so the whole thing. Now this next part's gonna go 7 on the G. Wait a second, hit that 10 on the D and back. Here we have a ring finger on the 5 on the D string. So here we're gonna have couple 5s and a pull off down to the 5 on the A here, and then kind of a slower 5-3 on the D, and then 5 5 open 3. That's where we connect and get back into the verse. So once again, into that first solo. Okay, like I said, it's 3 verses and choruses in a row, and then you have an extra chorus, and then we're into the next solo. So the next solo is going to start a little ahead of the beat, kind of again, like. Okay, so we have a 6 and a 5 down here, a little bluesy trick, kind of get a little bit of a bend, like a 1/4 step bend on that 6. And we're going to do that twice and go to that 7. Now the new measure is going to go. So we're gonna have the same type of thing, but it's all together, it's like. Then we have a triplet here, 7 5 to 7, and then we're gonna go. So we have a 6 5 3 as a triplet, and then 5 3 to 5 on the A is a triplet. You have a little bend on that 3 and the D, so it's. Okay, so we have 6 sets of this sliding like from a fret below into 14 and 13 in triplets. So it's like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a. So after the 6 sets, we have a slide into the 14, 13, 15 on the second, 14 to 12, and then we get into some triplets. So let's do that again. We got. Okay, and then we're gonna have. So we have a triplet here, 10 to 12 to 10, and then 12 to 10 to 13 going up. So, and then we're out of triplets, kind of just normal notes. 10, 12, quick hammer on pull off. So it's, and then 13, 10, 13 is triplets again, and then we have a thing. So we got 10, 10, 10, 10, 11, and then 10, 12 to 10 in a row there. We had 9, 7, 9, 7. And this is a triplet, 5 to 7 to 7. Okay, so this new one is 5, 6, hammer on pull off. Triplet right there, 7, 5, 7. 6, 5, 3 triplet. 5, 3, 5 triplet. So let's take a look at that whole thing we got. Okay, then we come over here and go little half step bend or 1/4 step bend on that 13, go to 10. Okay, so we had the 13 with a bend to 10, and then 13 on the second to 10 to 12 here, hammer on pull off, kind of hold that 13, and then 10 to 13 on the G, to back to 10 on a slide. So it's okay, so this one goes 10, little 10, second string 10, same kind of half step, quarter step bend to the 10 here, 13 on the second, couple 15s and a 15, 13, slight bend on the 13. We've got a 10 to 10, like little pickup notes. So we have 12, 13, 15, 13, 15, and then kind of that same kind of slide thing on that last one. 12, 13, 12, 15, 13 on the second. So we got so when we have this 15, 13, we have kind of slower notes, 12 to 10 on the G. So we got, now these are triplets, 13 to 12 to 10, 12, 10, 12. So we're gonna have 10s here, and then we have this 9 and 10, 9 on the G, 10 on the B. We're gonna have the chord, and then hit it again, kind of pull it off, come back to the chord. And then we have a triplet at the end. Slide that 9 into 10, go to 7 on the G. And then we have our last notes are, so 5, 7, and then 6, 5, 3. Okay, so from the okay, and you have like a double chorus, and then you hold the C chord at the end, and then he has a little, they go to D minor, and he goes. It's like right after the chord. 5, 7, 5, 6, trill that one, then 7, 5, 6, 8, 6, 5, 6, hammer on pull off to that, and then we're kind of just coming down the scale, go to that 5 there. Few D's at the end. Okay, so we're gonna look at the whole big solo one more time. We got. Okay, that's Layla, Unplugged, Eric Clapton. Great stuff. Hope y'all dig that. Got 2 pages of tabs with this. We'll talk to y'all soon.